Dan, Northants Precision, you've been going 2 months. First thing you decide to buy though when you're setting up a machine shop?
I got myself some software because I was quoting jobs before I could even afford a machine, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's what I went for.
I'm thinking your machine, your tooling, your lubricant, coolant, whatever it might be, but software. So where did you go for the software?
I went to PSL Data Track. I'd worked with them previously at a different company, so I knew how to use it. It was so simple to use, and that was my main reason for speed, really.
Okay, when you say speed, it's in terms of?
Quoting jobs. So the customer I work with, they might ring up and ask for multiple jobs, multiple quantities. With that system, I can do that in seconds. Once you put your first quote in, to edit a quote is seconds.
Okay, because you're doing lots of high-end motorsport, is that correct?
Yeah.
So you want quote for one off, but they might phone up and change that?
Yeah, and they might ask for a 1 off, 10 off, 50 off, 100 off. Like doing that on an Excel spreadsheet, it take forever.
Okay, and I'm assuming they want, as it's high-end motorsport, they want it straight away?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll get calls at 8 o'clock at night, I want a quote in an hour.
Right, but it will take you seconds with PSL Data Track?
Yeah.
Only been going 2 months, cash really is going to be key to you. So how did that sort of time with buying PSL Data Track?
I looked around the various systems. You know, PSL wasn't the cheapest, but definitely the best. You get what you pay for at the end of the day. Engineering is expensive business.
You've got a number of modules and you're adding them on all the time. So in terms of training and support, how have PSL Data Track performed?
There's good support because they're always at the end of the phone. You know, I've got Jeff, the owner's mobile. Funny thing, ringing up, he rings back.
So you've got the MD's mobile?
Yeah, of course you have, yeah. Going to get a good deal that way, aren't you? And it's just very simple to use. All the icons are simple. You hover above anything, it says, gives you your options. You've got like 4 options, so it's very self-explanatory. But having the system is like having another member of staff, to be honest with you.
Right, so it's that simple?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
And gives you,
and I'm a technophobe.
Okay. But love running these machines, obviously.
But love running the machines, yeah.
Okay. You're making some high-end motorsport parts. Do you need accreditation?
Yeah, ISO 9001, which currently I'm not, but we are working towards, and we're using PSL, material traceability. We're already working as if we were ISO 9001.
And I presume it makes the process very simple?
Yeah, definitely, 100%, yeah.
Okay, so a great little story there. So the first sort of port of call was actually considering the software when you started the company, so PSL Data Track. Where to next?
A few more modules, I think, on PSL that'll help. Another machine.
Yeah.
And then who knows where.
Okay, we'll look forward to coming and seeing you in a few years' time when you've got a load more machines and maybe all the modules for PSL Data Track.
Definitely.
Dan, thank you very much.
Thank you, cheers.